71 divided by 2. Okay. Since 2 is a divisor, we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. Look, to find the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. This will continue. So 2 goes into 7 how many times? 4 times 8, which is greater, so we have to stop here. 2 goes into 7 3 times. If you multiply 3 times 2, 3 times 2 gives us 6, right? 6. Subtract 1. Bring down this 1. 2 goes into 11 how many times? Look, 5 times 10, 6 times 12. So we need to stop here. Write 5. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract 1. That is 35. Remainder 1 is your answer. If you want to convert your answer in decimal point, what will you do? Just take a decimal point here and add 0. Bring down the first 0. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5 times 10, right? 5. But before this 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. So write 5. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract 0. So you are getting 35.5 is your answer.